All right, so the hubby and I are gonna head out to go replace one of our tires, and I will show you as we go. What? What?
Just hear the book.
That what?
A book.
Look.
Yeah, you heard the book. Like a signal.
All right, let's go get this tire, guys. Put the phone down. This for some content.
Or you had to pay. Y'all had access, you have, it's like maybe.
I would recommend this tire place because they're efficient and in and out in seconds, guys. Elliot.
All right.
Alright guys, we are done, so let's go and get some lunch. Alright guys, so we are back home. We got the tire put on. So now we're heating up dinner so we can eat and relax for the rest of the evening. Alright, talk to you next time. Bye guys.
Bye.
Alright guys, so let's eat dinner. Just gonna have some leftovers, black eyed peas, and some barbecue chicken and cornbread. Amen.
There's somebody who can go a little faster.